Afternoon, everybody. Been an incredibly busy day here on the Rancho. Top priorities getting things in shape to be a few days to help the boss out on that flooring project, and it's going to be a big one. Going to try to do as much of the second floor as the boss wants to get done, but I had to make sure things are done here. I had a little bit of distress today when I walked back to the back 40. And I had visions of 2018 with the fence kind of leaning over because of all the rain that we had, making the soil very damp. So let's take a walk around a little bit and I'll show you what I mean. You'll be able to see today I cut the grass. That's a big job because I've got a problem with the lawnmower. I'm not going to go into that now. I've got several mowers on the property. Here the boss just gave me one recently, so trying to get all the grass cut. Oh yeah, we didn't have enough of a freeze to put the grass dormant, so but it looks pretty good. This is my original Sears 1977 electronic ignition Craftsman 2, and I've used the heck out of this thing, but it's kind of in sick bay right now. I use that for mulching up twigs and things like that, but I think it's looking pretty good back here. But I'll show you what I got going on. And several years ago I did a video on the Rosie Murphy channel how to stabilize a leaning fence, because let's face it, fencing is expensive as can be, and the longer you can avoid it. I've had kids breaking through the back and kind of using this as a party zone here, and a lot of the wood on it is gone bad, but years ago I stabilized the lean. It was really pitching over, and I took some redwood 2x4s and I've kind of cut a wedge in the bottom of them and drove that wedge down, and that helped to straighten the fence and get that pretty much upright. Well, today I came out and there's really no weight being held on this, and I did the same thing over here to drive some wedges in, and that really made that rock solid today, because this thing was pitched over. I was thinking, oh man, we're close to losing it, and this was just holding it into position while I had that while I drove that wedges. So there's really no pressure, there's no pull on that, but I'm pretty happy. Yeah, it's you know, if I can kind of get one more season out of it, I'll be pretty happy here. See, some of the boards have kind of worked loose over here. I don't think I'm going to be able to secure them. I didn't even notice that, but you know, the whole fence is a bad habit. But like I say, if I can get one more year out of that, I'll be very happy. But corrected a lot of the lean, which was my main objective today, to just keep that stabilized. Once the rainy season's over, it'll pretty much dry into place, and probably this summer I'll replace it with an 8-foot chain link fence. So that kept me busy driving, getting a sledgehammer out and doing all that work. But you got to do what you got to do. Yeah, it is a lot to take care of here when you're kind of a one gal band. A lot of things that always need tending to. There's always something breaking down. There's always something falling apart. Even on a small little place like this, relative, and I call it the Rancho just jokingly, but there's always something to do. Been working on the tree pruning in the orchard in December, January, sprayed the trees, so they should be good to go, and I'm good to go for helping the boss for a few days of flooring. It's gonna be should be a hoot. Thanks for watching, everybody. Just as a little postscript, I went back and got the drill screwdriver and came back and secured these boards in the back here just to keep them in place. So yeah, looking good. One more year rot, huh? Thanks one more time, everybody.